Welcome to Craft Catalog. If you live in a small apartment, this video is about to change how you see every corner of your space. Because today, we're exploring 5 wood projects you can make for under 20 bucks, and every project helps you unlock hidden storage you didn't even know you had. These are the kinds of clever, low-budget ideas that make small spaces feel bigger, cleaner, and more organized without sacrificing style. Let's begin with the simplest idea, turning a used vertical space into real storage. Apartments rarely give you enough room, so going upward is the smartest move. A slim wooden organizer mounted on the wall instantly transforms empty space into a place for keys, chargers, notebooks, or even pantry items. Even with basic scrap wood, the result looks custom and surprisingly high-end. The beauty of vertical design is how much clutter disappears once everything has a clear home. Now imagine your kitchen or bathroom counter. It probably gets crowded fast, especially in a small apartment. One of the most effective hacks is building a small tiered riser. It lifts items upward, doubles your storage, and looks like something you'd buy from a minimalist boutique. A few smooth boards, a couple of supports, and suddenly your counter feels twice as big. Next is an idea people love because it solves a constant problem: where to put the things you use every day without leaving them scattered everywhere. A simple over-the-radiator or over-the-console wood shelf gives you instant space without drilling into walls or buying expensive furniture. The best part is that it fits almost anywhere. Entryway, hallway, bedroom, kitchen, any place where you need a little extra convenience. It's affordable, lightweight, and incredibly effective. Another powerful storage upgrade is a compact underbed wooden crate. With just a few long boards and handles, you get hidden storage that glides smoothly under the bed while keeping seasonal clothes, shoes, craft supplies, or linens out of sight. Apartment living is about maximizing every inch, and this is one of the easiest ways to gain a surprising amount of extra space. And finally, consider the space behind your doors. It's almost always wasted. A simple wooden hanger rack turns that forgotten area into a perfect spot for bags, scarves, cleaning tools, or even kitchen utensils. It's low cost, easy to build, and works in any room. You'll be amazed how much cleaner your apartment feels once everything has a designated spot. These 5 small wood projects cost less than a takeout meal, yet deliver a huge transformation. And the best part is that you don't need fancy tools or woodworking experience. Just a few basic cuts, some sanding, and a little creativity can unlock hidden storage everywhere you look. If you want more small space ideas, simple wood projects, and clever organization hacks, make sure you subscribe to Craft Catalog. Your next brilliant upgrade starts right here.